Taray. Now, very exciting ako kasi nga, as you can see naman dito sa website ni Cash Express mga Memoria, merong pa-promo si Cash Express year-end raffle promo kung saan isa ang mananalo ng grand prize na iPhone 17. iPhone 17 mga Memoria. So, magsisimula yung promo na to ngayon, December 1 until December 31. Okay, isang buwan siya, tita. So, sabi dito, as you can see sa website, pinasayang Pasko sa Cash Express. Make your Christmas merrier. Apply for a loan from December 1 to 31 and get the chance to win an iPhone 17 plus SM gift card. So, isa yung mananalo ng grand prize na iPhone 17. And 10 winners din ang makakatanggap ng SM gift cards.